Guys, so today we did not, we can find, this is the what we call fu'u. This is another kind of mushroom. So we didn't find any mushrooms since the part 4, I think, since part 4 up until now, up until today, only this that we found out. I don't know what's this place already. I just decided to go up so that I can go to the shortcut way, and that has that is where that is the trail going to the shortcut way going home, and at the same time it is where I get many mushrooms there, but I don't know what, because I take a shortcut. I don't know this kind of trail already. I think I'm lost. Seems like I'm lost. Oh, I think I just go down up there, and I hope that's where the shortcut way is. Because I'm, as of now, I'm out of track. Oh, nope, this is not for food. I thought it is for food, that's why I harvest it, but looking at it, it's no. This is the kumo. Yeah. This is for food also, so I think because I only harvested a small amount of what I want, what I'm looking for on the mushrooms, so I think I will harvest this also. But the problem with this is, as I just said, it has, I don't know if this is the mushrooms that always taste. There's even if you know, no matter how you wash it, it still tastes. Seems like when you bite it, seems like there's soil mixed in it. But it was very tasty. The Ipsy soap is very tasty also. I don't know what part of mountains this already, but I'll just go create my own trail. But honestly, I don't know this. Only if when I go there, and that's where I will see where am I. Because up there I can see mountains. It's like there's no, I have no luck today. No luck of finding mushrooms that we're looking for. There's no matter where, what kind of mountain do we have to pass by. Don't see some of them. So guys, I think I've made it to the shortcut area, because down here is the abandoned rice terraces. It's a rice terraces, but it was already abandoned down there. Let me check if how many minutes. 6 minutes. So guys, on the part 6 or part 7, I just end the video without saying a word, because I am videoing, and when I saw that it was already 16 minutes, I immediately end the video, because I need to edit that again, cut it into short ones, into shorter video, so that I can manage to upload it. So the problem here is, where should I go? This way. I already know the mountain where it's shortcut. That mountain is the shortcut one. We'll climb up there, going there. So guys, this is what I'm walking past by, so I need to clean. Out, out. It hurts. It really hurts. Right on my face. It really hurts. That really hurts. It's so bad. I think we are on the long cut, going down to the rice field, abandoned rice field. So, ouch! Yeah, we're just following this. We are just following this fence. This fence are being fenced here, because in order for the cows and carabaos not to enter the down there, the rice field area, so guys, I don't see any route here, so I need to create. Don't see any route here, but I need to create just for me to go down to the river. I mean, ouch, to the rice field. Ouch, it hurts. Wow. So we just landed on the trail, old trail. We just landed on the old trail, human trail. So we are already here at rice fields. This is the rice field up until down there. But they were just abandoned. And there are cows here and carabaos, that's why. Ouch! They are being destroyed by carabaos and cows. Because they can enter here as soon as the owner of these rice fields have stopped farming these rice fields. The owner of the cows and carabaos that are passing by in this area or living here, they just decided to make a way for the cows to enter in this way, because they have foods here already. These are their foods already. There are many grasses here. And the question here is, where will we go? I lost track, honestly. I don't know what. I think this is it. I hope so. These are rice fields. Up there, rice fields.